I am aware the workers on lower income brackets are indeed struggling to afford basic necessities, and it is not fair that they should be taxed heavily. Over the last 2 years, my administration has progressively increased the tax bracket and has cut tax rates for workers on lower income brackets. Today, under the new finance bill, minimum taxable income is Kenya shillings 13,475, meaning that anybody earning that and below shall no longer be applicable to pay tax. Workers, again, your dedication and hard work is appreciated by a grateful nation. And we understand your daily struggles too, and are working hard to tackle these challenges. We know that for 2 straight years, we have not increased the minimum wage, and so after consultation with key stakeholders, I have directed that the minimum wage be increased by 18%. In addition, we have increased the non-taxable bonuses and overtime to Kenya shillings 100,000. I know that employers are concerned about increased wages and its impact on the economy. I have therefore directed the Cabinet Secretary for Industrialization to urgently convene a meeting with stakeholders so that we can explore measures to cushion our employers also from costs associated with non-labor factors.